Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a membership site. Now, a membership site can be used for a course or just a private access area where you share particular content or other resources. So I'm going to show you how to create a simple site with a sign up page and the actual membership site where you can have the lessons and different sections. We'll show you that, and then we'll also dive into maybe the front end, a sales letter where you can sell memberships to this membership site. Let's get going. A membership funnel, like I said, is made up really of two kind of main components. The membership area where you see the lessons and your logo and kind of where the actual course is, and then a membership access page where you can create accounts and where your students can log in to your members area. Again, like I mentioned, a video sales letter can be put on the front end to get people to show them your course and to sell them if this is a paid course you're selling, and then an offer wall where you can upsell them on other things before they go into your course. So we're going to jump into ClickFunnels and we're going to use the cookbook builder process to start a new funnel, and we're going to take a very simple approach to building out a membership site. So we'll just go and start the cookbook. There's a whole bunch of funnels here like you've probably seen before. We've got to scroll down and find the membership funnel. Once we find that, we're going to select that funnel, and you'll see where a little explanation here. You can watch what Russell has to say explaining about this funnel as well, and then you can see here the pages that are created when you run this particular tool. So you get the video sales letter and order form, an offer wall, the member access page, and then the membership page where you actually have all of the course materials. So you can see the funnel map, the one I showed you earlier, that just kind of shows what that looks like, just if you need a little bit of a template to see. And then down below you can pick a whole bunch of free templates, ready-made designs for different industries where you can customize and change them. So you can try these out for yourself. We're going to use the Luminos membership funnel so you can see what a finished design funnel looks like. You can always go blank if you want to do your own design, but I always find starting from somebody else's complete design is a better place to go. So we'll just click on this link here. You'll basically go to the membership funnel page here where you can then get the funnel. You click get the funnel, and what this does is it just copies it from the main ClickFunnels library into your funnel list. So it takes a couple of minutes or seconds really. And boom, you're into the funnel. So this is the membership funnel. As you can see, there's 4 pages on this particular funnel. This one here we land on is the video sales letter. The second one here is the offer wall, which is the confirmation page, the membership access page, and the membership area. If you're not familiar with ClickFunnels in its entirety, I've got some other videos on this channel where you can learn a bit more about the basic elements and all that. So go check that out. Again, I'm not going to focus too much on the sales letter. We'll take a look real quick at what this looks like. But as you can see, a lot of it's built already. You put your video in here, with your sales letter, the 3 secrets, and add to cart. And as you can see, this is a paid course. It doesn't always have to work like this. You can do free courses, but you get the idea. This is all built and ready to go. And as you can see, I'll just jump into the customization where you can edit the page here just to see how easy it is when you start from a template to just swap out. You can change the backgrounds, change colors, add your video. So this is almost ready to go. It just needs the content from your specific course and the images. So again, fairly simple. I don't want to spend too much time designing here. We're going to go into the membership area and show you what you need to do there. So we'll start with the member access page. This is really once they've bought your course or you're sending them for free, this is the page where people can sign up and get access to your course, create an account. So as you can see, it's very simple. You can send this directly to people. Hey, live webinar or live training, here's where they can create their account. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to customize. If you don't like this background, it's very simple to change. You go to your background settings, find a different background image. We're going to go with a blue here, actually something fancy like this one. Add the image, and bang, we've customized this entrance into the members area. save it out, and preview. Fairly simple to do. And fairly simple to edit. If you know how to edit in ClickFunnels, it's pretty easy. So that's pretty basic. The next phase is actually getting into the membership area. And so this is a little bit different than other funnels in ClickFunnels, but still, fairly straightforward to use. So here's your kind of main homepage for editing your membership area. As you can see, there's sections and lessons. So you can create sections and as many lessons and sections as you want. So before we dive into that, here's a couple of web addresses. So here's the login URL if you want just the login page, and then here's a secret sign up URL. So again, these are ways you can use it to test. The first place we're going to start is really in the membership design. So this is the overall look of your actual membership area. So this is where you can customize things to look the way you want. So as you can see, it really just has a bit of a header. The course navigation shows up here, and then the lessons format look like this. So this is where you can modify the navigation in here. You can add any other kind of material that you want to be seen in all of the lessons. Again, we can change our background here so that it matches our sign up page, which was this one here, and fairly simple. And there you can see we have the same background. It's starting to look a little bit more the same. So here too, you can change the navigation of the course navigation. You can change the colors there, and even some style pieces. If you go to themes, in here is where you can change the colors, change the font, and just make it a little bit different there. Again, all the different settings to allow to do that. So this is the membership area, basic kind of design. So once you save this out, all the other lessons kind of fall into this section here. So we'll go back, show you real quick. So when you create a section, which there are some already created here, we'll just show you, you can name the section. So you can call this introduction or, whatever it is you want. Start here. You can name your sections whatever you want. And of course you can name your lessons anything you want. Product requirements, tag requirements, and upgrade offer funnel option. These are additional options for more advanced functionality. But again, if you tag product requirements, if this course is something that you want to sell an existing customer, you can just add a tag and then they get access to this. So there's some really fancy things you can do as you start to build out a bit more advanced courses that have more modules, or even paid modules if you want. Now let's open up a lesson. So our first lesson here, as you can see, here's a membership editor. You can copy a lesson. Here you can, this one you can move them around, and then you can edit the lesson. So again, this is the same. These basically will open up the editor, and this allows you to now change that course section. So in this one, you have your titles you can change. Now this is a blank page. You can put whatever you want on here. If you want to add additional sections or additional rows, whatever content you want. Let's say you wanted to add another row in here, and we wanted to put in a video, same way you do everything else in ClickFunnels. It's pretty straightforward. So whatever you want for your course, whether it be videos or workbooks or other resources, this is where you put all that information. So we're going to just go back here. And again, as you fill out all your course stuff, it's all in here. Again, as much or as little as you want. And really, that's the basics for creating a membership site. Without going into the depths and details of everything, that's how you create your basic course or membership site. Again, there's all your members will show up in this same funnel here. You'll have them all listed here as they kind of sign up. You can add automations, of course, as well when people log in. There's all kinds of functionality in ClickFunnels that you can leverage here as well. So when you're done, again, you just click into your main funnel. Well, this is the main one, but we'll go to the membership area. And I don't think we've signed up, so it's not going to bring us directly there, but you can get the idea that this is what our membership site looks like. So you can see the video here. Again, we didn't get super fancy. You could spend a lot of time designing, adding your logo, but as you can see, all the sections are right here. And how you design your course is again up to you, but You even have search, where people can search through all the different content and find what you're looking for. Again, that navigation we showed up here. So that's a simple, quick tutorial on how to create a membership site in ClickFunnels. It's just something you need to try and just give it a whirl. So don't hesitate. Try and build out your first membership course today. And look for the next video. Thanks.